almost like winner by default, right?
What the fuck is going on?
Lost Allen Key.
I think somebody put in their pocket. They want to see Ronald Rice.
That's what. That's
Yeah, Terry done put the Allen key in his pocket. He came over here, took the tools from us, and gonna get it ready.
Yeah, you got cheerleaders.
Just somebody that came and skipped the Allen Key.
Everybody said cheerleaders. It was motherfuckers out on YouTube last week.
This is what I'm saying.
That's why ain't nobody.
Exactly.
Talking shit. You know what I'm saying? You was on there talking about you called out from Bakersfield. Ain't nobody called me. Terry called me in
Bakersfield.
You know how to call me. You called all everywhere.
And he said Rick was under the covers.
We did.
You in there.
Yeah, Rick was.
We out here right now.
It was a big ass. It was a motherfucking king. Rick ain't never. It was a cow king quilt. Sold up. It was two of them. Sold up. And Rick was
all that.
He out here now. He under that motherfucker.
Allen Key. How you lose Allen Key?
Yeah. And 2 weeks prior to that, we was out here too.
Give me somebody. I'll tell you.
Terry got the keys, man.
Somebody got it.
Terry, I think Terry.
Nick, what the hell's going on here?
Well, waiting for the action to happen,
Y'all had a
but
whole week to get
you
the
know,
motherfucker that way
it's
you
scary
can
over
get
here,
Allen Key.
Mr. Scary.
I don't know what the fuck is the problem.
She was already ready.